good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. Nerve flossing, also known as neural gliding, is a powerful method that targets the nerves, releasing tension and promoting optimal functioning. Nerve flossing can aid in alleviating discomfort caused by conditions like sciatica, carpal tunnel syndrome, and more. By gently mobilizing the nerves, you can relieve pain, reduce inflammation, and regain lost flexibility. This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia. Welcome back to Living with Ataxia. First, find a comfortable sitting or lying position. Relax your body and take a few deep breaths to calm your mind. We'll start with the ulnar nerve flossing. Extend your arm to the side, palm facing up. Gently bend your wrist downwards and then bring it back up while simultaneously moving your head in the opposite direction. This movement helps to glide the ulnar nerve, reducing any compression. Repeat on the other side. Next, let's focus on the median nerve. Begin by extending your arm in front of you, palm facing down. Slowly flex your wrist downwards and then bring it back up while tilting your head in the opposite direction. This motion helps to mobilize the median nerve and alleviate any tension. Repeat on the other side. Now, let's move on to nerve flossing for the sciatic nerve. Lie on your back with both legs extended. Gently bend one knee towards your chest, then straighten it while simultaneously flexing your ankle and pointing your toes towards your body. This movement helps to free up any tension along the sciatic nerve. Repeat on the other side. Remember, nerve flossing should be performed with caution and within your comfortable range of motion. If you experience any pain or discomfort, stop immediately and seek professional advice. Incorporating nerve flossing into your routine can provide pain relief, improve flexibility, and enhance your overall well-being. Give it a try, but always listen to your body and take it at your own pace. Over time, nerve flossing can improve nerve gliding, enhance flexibility, and reduce pain. Regular practice, coupled with an active lifestyle, can unlock your full nerve potential. Nerve flossing is a simple, yet effective technique to relieve pain and boost your mobility. Incorporate it into your daily routine, and you'll experience the amazing benefits. Remember, taking care of your nerves can lead to a pain-free and mobile life. Stay healthy, and if this information was helpful, please press that like button, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. It's all free and thank you.